Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about a pregnant woman and her baby. Yes, this expression may allude to social issues, but in fact, this also concerns us as traders. Well, this strategy is a powerful strategy to confirm entry points. It simply depends on candlestick patterns. We cannot explain all patterns, but we chose this pattern for its strength, usefulness, and ease of searching for it in the screener. Just watch the video. Okay, this pattern consists of the big red candle, which is the pregnant mother who is waiting for her new baby. And her little baby is the little green candle that comes out after the red mother candle. In order to understand this more, let us suppose that the red candle is the mother who carries the green child in her womb and everyone is waiting for his birth. Well, now that we know that this is the mother candle and this is her child, let's also know that this pattern is called a bullish Harami pattern. The conditions for this pattern are simple, that the opening of the green candle should be slightly higher than the red candle, and its size should be smaller, and of course it should be green. Okay, let's take the horizontal line tool and make sure of that. That's good, it looks like it's higher than the red candle. And as we said, its size is smaller than the red candle that precedes it, as if it had come out of its stomach. Unfortunately, we cannot rely on the previous candles to know and to see this type of pattern because the baby candle will change its shape over time, so this pattern must be explained at the time of its current appearance. Well, let's see another example so we can get used to this easy pattern. Here comes the red mother, and here is her green baby. As for the shadows of the candles, or the wicks, do not focus on them, only focus on the body of the candle. By measuring using the horizontal line, you will notice that everything is good, as we said earlier. This baby is the beautiful gift that the mother gave us. But we should not be deceived by the kindness of this mother, because sometimes she may give us a fake child. I think now that you are able to identify the fake baby. Its color is red, and its opening is equal to or less than the size of the mother candle. Now that we understand the Harami candlestick pattern, let's move on to the screeners section and search for it automatically. As we learned in the first and second part of the screener videos, choose the market you want from here. Let's open the filters. I think that I'm moving fast because I think you are able to use filters after watching the previous videos we talked about in the screener section. Well, let's choose the platforms we trade on. You can choose all the platforms that you trade with. I mean, you are not limited to choosing only one. Okay, now in the search box, type pattern. Here, you will find all candlestick patterns, bullish and bearish patterns, doji, Hummer pattern, and many other patterns, but what we are interested in now is a bullish Harami pattern. Okay, close the filters window. Then open it again to review the choices you made. We also talked previously about how to save it to return to it in one click. Well, let's admit that the best time frame for identifying candlestick patterns is 1 day, which is fortunate for those who use TradingView for free, but in this example, we will be using 1 hour, which is also good for quick trading and also for speeding up this video a bit. As you can see, these are the results that we have filtered, and to increase the filter, let's type USD. As we learned earlier, you can add many filters, such as liquidity flow, volume, and many other filters, but now let's choose any currency to try this method. And let it be Alpha coin. This looks good, the filter gave us a Harami pattern with ease and accuracy, which is good, even if you can't tell the Harami pattern, the filter will do that. This is the red mother, and this is her green baby. Let's see the height of the baby from his mother in order to make sure that the filter is accurate in choosing this pattern correctly. This looks very accurate, and the filter seems to have done its job well. Well, let's try this on another coin. Let's choose Crazy Shiba. Well, here too we have found a Harami pattern. Here, the baby appears to be growing rapidly. Away from the wick of the baby candle, all we care about is the size, color, and height of the body from the mother candle. Okay, now we're going to speed up the video to see what will happen with this green baby according to the two currencies we've chosen, Shiba and Alpha. Will he grow up to be a man we can count on, or will he disappoint us? Well, let's speed up now, and I'll try to switch between the two currencies for 2 hours. We can use any indicator with these patterns. For example, let's use the moving average indicator for confirmation. Here, with Shiba coin, it looks good, and new green candle has formed above it. Let's apply the same indicator to the Alpha coin and see the difference. Here, it seems that the new candle is still below the moving average, all we have to do is wait for its breakout. Well, let's speed it up again and see what happens. Well, that looks good so far, but before we finish this video, let's try to figure out what indicators go along with this simple pattern. As you see here, you can use this pattern with a support line for confirmation. You can also use it with a simple MACD indicator. Even with Bollinger Bands or any other indicator. In the previous examples, we used modified images because the Harami pattern is a constantly changing pattern and it cannot be traced easily because the baby candle is constantly growing and before it is closed or completed, it may become larger than the mother candle as we saw in the example of the Shiba coin. See you in the next video. Good luck.